Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Feasting with Ege. This episode we're working on smoothies. Our first smoothie is a kiwi smoothie. What we're gonna do is chop up a banana and take take two kiwis. I cut them the wrong way, make sure you do it the right way. Taking an explicitly long time to peel a mango. Then you're gonna want to cut out, watching out for the seeds in the middle. Put everything into a blender along with some pineapple as well. If it all doesn't fit at once, don't worry, just blend it up and add it on later. And the result is a nice fruity smoothie with just the right amount of sweetness and sourness. Now for a bit of a healthier choice, we're making a spinach smoothie. Scoop out the inside of one avocado, fill up another banana, put that on the blender along with another half of a mango, and about 2 handfuls of spinach. Baby spinach if you can find it, but normal is also fine, along with a splash of milk if you desire. Now this is a much healthier choice of a smoothie. Some people may not prefer it, but it still tastes quite nice. And the next smoothie is going to be a berry smoothie. Again, you're going to want to chop a banana and add any sort of mix of berries that you want to do. Blend that up, as well as add a little bit of honey, and if it's too sweet like it was for me, add the juice of 1 lime to add a bit of zest. And once before you serve, you should dollop with a bit of honey on top. Now, last one is a breakfast smoothie. For this one, you're going to want to chop a banana, then any sort of soft fruit, mangoes, strawberries work with, great. Then around one cup of milk, which is around 250 milliliters. Then another teaspoon of honey. Then you're going to want to add some breakfast oats, Quaker, about 1 teaspoon, and also about half or a quarter teaspoon of vanilla extract. That is also a great smoothie to eat for breakfast.